One of the best benefits of being a YouTuber is having the ability to monetize your videos and make additional income through the YouTube advertising program. The only issue is that you have to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours on a single channel in order to qualify to be monetized. Most who are just starting out can't really achieve that right away. So how do you capitalize on your content until then? It's simple. Just buy me a coffee. Let's talk about it coming up next. Hi, my name is Jay Freeman, and on my channel, you'll find videos about branding, music, business, and technology. I specialize in helping you expand your reach and grow your revenue through the power of social media and technology. If that interests you, then click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive all of the notifications of my latest videos. Okay, let's get started. So one of the things that has always been daunting for those just starting out on YouTube are the requirements for monetization. Currently, YouTube requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watched content to even take part in their advertising program.
No! God, please, no!
Why are you crying?
Of course, this can pose a problem for those who want to get paid for the content they're providing. You also cannot have a merch store or take part in one of YouTube's other famous monetization programs, the famous Super Chat. Super Chats are where your viewers or your visitors can send you donations to support your channel. It seems with YouTube, all of the greatness, all of the things that you need to monetize are not exposed to you until after you hit 1,000 subscribers. So, how do you still monetize your efforts while building your channel? Well, there are many apps out there that you can tie in and stitch together to accomplish this, like Patreon, MailChimp, and even using donate buttons in your call to actions. But the easiest and most robust way that I've found is simply using BMAC, better known as Buy Me a Coffee. Buy Me a Coffee is a simple, meaningful way to fund your creative work. You can accept support, memberships, you can build a direct relationship with your fans directly with BMAC. This gives your audience an easy and fun way to say thank you for providing great and valuable content to them. Who doesn't love enjoying a cup of coffee, right? Technically, it's really not a cup of coffee, but your supporters are able to donate anywhere from $5 on up to show their appreciation to you. Not to mention, you're able to create memberships and what they call extras, which allows you to set up services like one-on-one consultations, coaching sessions, audit reviews, book coaching, tech consultations, live streaming, and so much more. One of the great things to me about BMAC is that you get paid directly. That's right. As soon as someone pays you, it goes directly to your PayPal, your Stripe, or your bank account. Bottom line is, if you're looking for a way to grow your following and supporters through being able to be monetized from the beginning of your YouTube journey, Buy Me a Coffee is the way to go. And here's the kicker. It's absolutely free to use. That's right, I said it. It's absolutely free to use. So there's literally no excuse not to use them when you're first starting out on YouTube. If you found this video to be valuable, click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to be notified of all my latest videos. In fact, watch one of the videos coming up next. Until next time, keep making the world a better place.